Mastering editing and revising for clarity and coherence in TOEFL and IELTS writing. Hello, learners! Welcome back to our series on test-taking strategies for TOEFL and IELTS. Today, we're diving deep into editing and revising for clarity and coherence in your writing. This skill can truly elevate your writing score. Let's get started. First and foremost, it's crucial to understand why editing and revising are essential. When you're writing under timed conditions, it's natural to make minor errors or occasionally lose track of your overall argument. Editing, the process of correcting mistakes, ensuring consistency, and making your writing as clear as possible. Revising, the broader process of reviewing your content, ensuring your arguments are logical and organized, and that your writing flows smoothly. Both processes ensure that your writing effectively communicates your ideas. 1. Read aloud. Sometimes, our ears catch mistakes that our eyes miss. Read your answer aloud to yourself to check for awkward phrasing or repetition. 2. Check for common errors. This includes checking grammar, punctuation, spelling, and verb tense consistency. 3. Verify details. Ensure you've accurately referenced any details from the provided texts or prompts. 1. Topic sentences. Make sure each paragraph has a clear topic sentence that expresses the main idea of the paragraph. 2. Transition words. Use transition words, like, however, in addition, for example, to guide the reader and make your writing flow smoothly. 3. Unity and focus. Ensure every sentence in a paragraph relates to its topic sentence. Remove or restructure sentences that stray off topic. 4. Conciseness. Be direct. Avoid overly complex sentences or unnecessary words. It's a common challenge to balance writing time with editing time. Here's a quick strategy. 1. Allocate specific time. Dedicate the last 5 to 10 minutes of your writing time solely for editing and revising. 2. Quick scan. Start with a rapid scan for glaring errors. 3. Deep dive. Then, go deeper to ensure clarity and coherence. It's better to have a shorter, well-articulated essay than a long, disorganized one. Editing and revising are not just about fixing errors. They're about refining your work to best showcase your thoughts and command of the language. Remember, practice makes perfect. As you consistently work on your editing and revising skills, it'll become second nature. We hope this session brought clarity to your test preparation journey. Best of luck, and see you in the next video.